everyone. Today I am going to be unboxing and setting up the Firman generator WH03242. First we'll take out the generator. See what else we got in here. I think there's a cover. Then the instruction manual and parts. Since this generator has an electric start, I'm going to plug in the battery so it can be charging up while I get everything else ready. Now for me personally, one of the biggest draws for this Firman WH03242 model was not just that it has a 30 amp plug-in for my RV, but also that it's a dual fuel, that it runs off propane. So I'm going to start by assembling the propane connector here. So I'm following the quick start and stop guide included with this, which will show you exactly how to get the propane connector up and running. First what we'll be doing is getting the cover ready for this regulator. The packaging comes really well, everything's nice and tight, everything that's including even this oil that we'll do later. You can see there's this little blue spot right here. I'll just push down on to get this regulator cover out. Yeah.
Why is that?
There you go, and here's the cover.
Why is it covered?
With this Firman, it's a little hardware set, greatest quality, probably not so much, but just for fun, I'm going to be using that. So to get this cover installed, there are 3 short screws and 1 long screw, just like it says in the quick start stop guide. You just put the cover right on here, like this, and get the screws in. Says the next thing is to connect the battery cable and get some oil in it, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy setup for this Firman. So you just take out these 4 screws, and then that'll take this panel off. A lot quicker. Here we go. The next steps according to this quick start guide are to connect the batteries, and then we can put in the oil. So deep in here, see this battery connection? Kind of got to pry it out a little bit. There we go. And they just snap together. Like this. Looks like there's only one way it can go in, based on these 2 little notches here. This clicks in, snaps on like that. Put it back in, and I'll clip off that little piece of plastic that comes in there with it. You just connect these 2 battery pieces together till it snaps in. Borrowed the scissors from my kids, cut off this little plastic tag, puller, done with the battery connector. And you just tuck it back in underneath like this where it was, push it all the way down until it seats really nicely like that, and you're all set with the battery connection. Now let's check out the oil. What you see is there's a little yellow cap here that says check oil on it. You just unscrew it. Firman includes a funnel and oil for you, which is great. I like that touch. So there's very few things you need to have outside this whole package other than your fuel source, whether you use gasoline or liquid propane. So let's get this oil added. Here's a close-up of this check oil. This little yellow device I'm talking about. It just unscrews like that. Take it out. That's what we'll be putting in our funnel to add the oil.